everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video. It looks like I have no shirt on, but look, I got a shirt on, okay? There we go. So today I'm starting barefaced for this video because I'm going to be doing a full face of sleek makeup, seeing if it's all worth the hype. I've tried a few sleek makeup products before and I like them a lot, but I'm gonna do a full face and see how I like it after that. I want to thank Sleek Makeup for partnering with me for this video today, and yeah. So I really love affordable makeup products and Sleek Makeup is one of those brands, and their products are actually very great. But today I'm gonna be trying a lot of new ones, so y'all stay tuned if you want to see how these products work. So let's go on and get started with this video, and yeah. So my face is already moisturized, as you can tell. I just look below it. So I went ahead and moisturized my face already with my usuals, but to do foundation, I'm actually going to be using the Life Proof foundation. This is a medium to full coverage, sweat proof and oil free foundation. I am using the color LP13. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my face. Whoops. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. And very surprisingly, this is like an exact shade for me, and that's very rare. I normally have to mix my foundation, so that right there already is a plus. Looking good there, Jasmine. This foundation actually applied very smoothly and very well. I like that it says it's medium to full coverage, but I think because I only put on a light layer, it's more natural, but then also it's not going matte on me right now, but it's looking more natural, but it's also not looking too oily. Wow. I like that. I like that. I'm actually very, oh, I spilled the foundation, but I'm actually very happy with that shade, honestly. And today I actually want to use a contouring and highlighting palette. This is a cream one. This is the Cream Contour Kit in medium 096. It looks like this. I'm gonna start off with this shade right here in the middle, and I'm gonna go ahead and go underneath my eyes a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of this shade as well, so I'm gonna mix these two. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with a sponge. There we go. And then now I'm going to get this darker, I can't carry things. I'm gonna go ahead and get this darker shade over here on a different little fluffier brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend that cream contour out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with a translucent powder really quick. I'm just setting my face as I usually would. Excuse me as I take my Taco Bell break. I'm like starving and I finally got here. Like I'm shaking, I'm starving. But on a better note, my face looks great. So lately I haven't been wearing foundations at all because they make my face look gross. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just, I mean, I guess my face is just really dry, but this looks so smooth on me. I haven't had a foundation look smooth on me in a long time, so I'm excited about that. It's my mom's birthday, so I'm calling her while I'm taking my break. I'm trying to sing to her.
Hello.
Happy birthday to you. You like that?
He's good.
Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mamacita. Happy birthday to you. Ah!
That's beautiful.
You like
That's
that?
Beautiful. Thank you, Mama.
Oh, you're welcome.
You're so silly.
Okay, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Okay, I'm done eating. I'm done singing to my mom. You know, she loved it. She wants me to pre-record my album and send it to her. So next, I'm actually going to use this eyeshadow palette. This is the Beautiful Sin 578. So I'm going to start off with this color on the outside. I really like that a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and get a flatter white fluffy brush. And I'm just going to pick it up on the brush. And we're going to just pat it on the eyelid. Oh my gosh, y'all see that? I've used an eyeshadow palette before and it was bomb. So I'm not surprised. Like, look at that color. It's just going on so smoothly. So I'm just gonna place it on where I want it. And then we're gonna blend out in a few. And after I get it on, I'm going to get this brush. I'm gonna get a little bit of the product. And then I'm just gonna blend it out on the edges. And then afterwards, I'm gonna get a little bit more on the brush and I'm just gonna pack it on the lid just to intensify it. I got like no fallout at all. Okay. Now I'm gonna get this lighter pink color right here on the flat brush. And I'm just gonna place that in the middle just to give it a little highlight. You see that? There we go, and then I'm just gonna get a little bit of this light champagne color right here and I'll put that in the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. And then I'm going to use this mascara. This is the Sleek Makeup Full Fat Lash Mascara. I like the way the eyeshadow looks, so that's why I'm not putting on eyeliner today. Okay, now I'm going to finish off the rest of my face and I'm going to use the Face Form. This has a matte contour powder, an illuminating highlighter, and then a shimmer blush, but I'm just going to use the contour powder right here. And this one is in the color medium. And then for blush, I'm going to use the Blush by 3 palette, and this one is in the color Flame 365, and it has these really pretty orange and reddish colors. I really love orangey blushes. I feel like they look the best on my skin tone. I'm gonna mix a little bit of this one because it has a little bit of shimmer, plus this one right here. And we're gonna blush it up real quick. So just do a light. And then after that, I'm gonna highlight. And this is actually one of the newer highlighting palettes. This is the Sleek Makeup Highlight Palette in Copper Palette. And the colors in this one are gorgeous. There's like a copper, a gold with yellow undertones, another like a champagne color, and then like a pinky color with gold undertones. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I don't even know which one I want to use. I want to show y'all the colors. These are the colors. They're so pretty. So I'm actually going to use a little bit of the copper and then a little bit of the gold. And I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. And then last but not least, I'm going to use one of the new lip shots. This is a Gloss Impact, and this one is in the color Behind Closed Doors. Now I'm going to mix in a little bit of Dark Paradise. Now I'm just gonna set my face like I usually would. And there we go. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These products are so great. I haven't put on a face full of makeup actually in a long time, so I'm kind of like, dang girl, who is that? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see me start trying out like a certain brand of makeup and doing full faces, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't tried Sleek Makeup before, you're missing out and you probably should go to the store. It's actually available at selected Ultas and Walgreens and online at Target.com. So yeah, y'all should try it out, and everything's super affordable and so great. Like color payoffs, the swatches, the foundation shade, they have my shade. No drugstore, not even high-end brands really have my shade. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you like this look, and if you don't, then oh well, but if you do, hey. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next upload. Don't forget to check the description box for all the products below. Bye everybody.